Hi, I am going to show the architecture of the sonographic educational website, sonoshare.in in this video. So once you sign into the sonoshare.in, you will go to the various lecture videos. Now coming to practice of ultrasound, these are the major steps in learning and practicing ultrasound. One is anatomy, the gross and dissection anatomy, which you have all learned during your MBBS career. Next is the applied physics of ultrasound and certain basic principles of sonography, which is covered in the training course. So on the home page, you go to the click on the training, which will lead to the training page, which has two training courses at present. One is applied physics and basic principles, and another one is second trimester anomaly scan. So this gives the basic knowledge of applied physics and basic principles, which forms the essential foundation for the practice of ultrasound. Next step is the learning the technique, the sonographic anatomy of various sections, the guidelines as prescribed by professional organizations, and the protocols to be followed. So these are covered again in the training, where you see for the second trimester anomaly scan, there is a course. And for other topics, we have so many lectures. Like suppose if you take sonography of the hernia, then you have the technique and protocols will be described. For each topic, it will be described. And also there are categories of various groups. Next is coming to a diagnosis using pattern recognition, the checklist for each section you have taken, and lead point feature for seeing which you do certain techniques to arrive at a diagnosis. Now these are described again in the various lecture topics, covering for each topic everything about starting from the technique to the diagnosis. And these are individual topics, plus there are, if you click on category, you see the category. So when you click on the category, you'll have various groups of topics like fetal medicine, fetal echo, gynecology, etc. So in each category, everything about the fetal echo, for example, will be covered. And then last is image to diagnosis. So image to diagnosis, when you followed all these steps, still sometimes you will see an image which you are not able to come to a conclusion. And so these topics, or these groups of topics, image to diagnosis, will discuss about a particular image and what technique or procedures have to be followed to arrive at a better diagnosis. So for example, you can see two images, one in the fetal echo and then second in the right hypochondrium. So these are two images, and straight away you cannot come to a conclusion. So the image to diagnosis topic will give the methods and techniques and procedures you follow from this particular image to arrive at a diagnosis. So that will be again be seen in the category heading. So this is how the learning of practice of ultrasound. It discussed it systematically and with a lot of videos, videos on the mannequins and videos of ultrasound techniques and procedures. Thank you.